Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine in Google Chrome. As you can see right here, I have Google Chrome open and it's currently set to DuckDuckGo. And if I open, for example, another tab, you can see that it's the same. Now, to change this is super easy. So you want to follow the steps that I'm about to share with you. Now, go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right and just go down to settings. Now, on the left side, you want to change a few things, right? You notice when we open up the new tab, it shows .go. And so within settings, you can change where it says unstart. And the section for unstart, just ensure that it's not set to a specific page or something like that. Just leave it to where it says open the new tab page. And so leave this as is. Now, the next thing you want to do is look on the left hand side where it says search engine right here. So you click on this, and here you will see it will show the current search engine as is. So you click on change and you can switch this to whatever you want. So if I want, for example, Google, I click on Google, then click on set default. And so it's going to change it to Google. And you can see even when I check those older tabs, they're now updated and shown Google. If I open a new tab, it is set there. And this works because I also have it set on the on startup. It will basically show as open the new tab page, right? And so this is going to also ensure that it is set to Google whenever I open it as well. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.